Whirlpool Classic 621S. And now let's see how to use it. See, actually it's a non-display, there's no display. So what we have to do basically, that the first step is to install water. Okay, this is the place from where water will come once you have connected the machine with water inlet, and you have to press the start button. Once you press that start button after connecting it with the water supply, the water will automatically start coming from this place and it will fill the machine depending upon what the level you have selected. There are few buttons given here. First is of power, which is used to start the machine. Second is program. You can select whether you have to go with normal, speedy, heavy or delicate. The best one is speedy. And then from the wash option, there is nothing much to be selected, but from the water level you can select whether you want to use low water if you have less or few amount of clothes, or medium or high or very high. That depends on you totally. So what you have to do, after the water is totally filled, depending upon what is the level of water you have selected, and you have added the cloth, you have to add detergent from here. If you want to add the bleach, you can add it from here. And then what you have to do, just close the machine. Fine. Power on, which is already here. I'm just showing you. You have to press this power button, select the program, whether it is speedy or something else, and then start, and the machine will start moving. Once if there is cloth, there is no cloth, that's why it's not spinning here. And again, after by selecting program, you can select the water level, where you want to go with lower, medium or something else. This one is for pausing. I have paused this. Again starting. Okay, and after and these screens will show you actually the level, the process. That means first is washing. First the clothes will wash, then it will move to rinse, and then finally it will move to spin. In the rinse level, the water whatever is left in the dirty water will go out from the machine, and finally the spin will take place to, I think, remove the as much water as possible, and then finally the process will finish.